Hello everyone. In the first episode of this channel, we made this internet users by countries dashboard using the scroll bar. This time what we are going to do is we are going to use some VBA and we are going to make a file which looks something like this, where if you click on a cell, the graph changes. So to do this, what we are going to do is we will take this file of ours and we will make a copy of the same. So this is our file. We press Ctrl C and then we put it here on our desktop. And I'm going to rename this as selection change demo. So to achieve what we showed you in that last file, what we're going to do is first of all delete this. To delete this, you can just tap the scroll bar. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our numbers. We're going to add the years like this: 2000, 2001, 2002. Okay, this is because obviously our data is only for 2000 to 2011. Now this range will be renamed as your range. So when you select this entire range, you can see that it is named as your range. You can check it here also, your range. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the control sheet, and this cell is going to be named as your chosen. Done. Now what we have to do next is open the developer tab, Visual Basic, and rather than inserting a new module, go to the sheet 1 dashboard and double click on this. Now what you have to do is select worksheet, and immediately the selection change event appears. In this, we will type the below code. If not, intersect, target, your range, is nothing then your chosen is equals to target dot value, and then we end our if statement. See, the moment I change it, it changes. Now what you can do is you can put a conditional formatting here so that we know which cell is highlighted. So to do that, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine we do not freeze it. When I change it, see, now we know which cell is highlighted. Okay, basically what is happening here is we just go to the VBA tab again. When a different cell is selected in the worksheet, this event is what gets fired. So when a different cell gets selected, the Excel first checks whether the new cell selected is a part of the year range, which is that set of cells that we named as year range. If there is an intersection, if the new cell selected is within the year range, then what it does is it sets the value of the year chosen range to the value of the new cell. Once the value changes here, it changes here, and then it changes here. And this is how the whole thing works. Of course, when you make it from scratch, you'll have to go through the whole process of setting up the data, setting up the control sheet, setting up the data for plotting, and then finally making the dashboard. But since we had already made the dashboard in the previous instance, we have not created from afresh this time. So thank you all for watching this. Please let me know any doubts or clarifications in the comments section below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.